Hello friends, welcome to our third video this week as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a clustered bar chart or a clustered column chart. My name is Mercy Consolate Akello. Let's get started. So what exactly is a clustered bar chart? Well, simply put, a clustered bar chart is an extended version of the ordinary bar chart where you're having one numeric value being represented across more than one categorical value. For example, in this case, we are trying to look at the average age by the sex and embarked. Now, as you can see from the charts, the bars are placed side by side to form clusters of some sort. So here we're having these two clusters. One, we're having the males and then the females. And then within the clusters, you're having other clusters, such that you're having this embarked, our legend value, represented by the colors. So that's a clustered bar chart for you. Now let's dive into the plotting. So come to the canvas, visualization, select clustered column chart, drag this down, come over to the data pane, select age, and then under the y-axis, we want to change this from sum to average. Then come back to the data pane and select sex, select embarked, and there you have your clustered column chart. Now for the customization, you come over to format your vision and then scroll down to the x-axis. We want to make the values bold. We want to increase the font size. We want to change the color to black. And then for the title, x-axis title, we want to make it bold. So that's that. Come to the y-axis, do the same. We want to make the values bold. Increase the font size, change the font color to black. Then for its title, we want to make it bold as well. Then for our legend, we want the text to be modified. Let it be bold, increase font size, change the color to black. And then for the title position, we want it, instead of top left, we want it to be top right. Next, we want to see how we can remove the grid lines. There are some grid lines appearing on the chart, so we turn it off. Next, we want to see the data labels added to the chart, so we come and turn it on. Then for the position, we want it inside. For the value, we want to make them bold, increase font size a bit. And that is that. Then we cross over to general, look at the title, want to make it bold. Lastly, we want to give our visual a border. Come to effects, visual border, turn it on. Then within that, we want the rounded corners to increase in visibility. So I'm leaving it at 3. You can place any other value of your interest. That is it. You can do other customizations as per your desire. Now let's copy this and drag it this way. Then we can change this to a clustered bar chart. Next, let's add the grid lines you're seeing up there. Come back to the format visuals, scroll down to grid lines, turn it on, and then we can change the color from gray to black. And then the size of the lines, we can increase that from here. Let's have it at a 3. So that is it for creating clustered column charts and clustered bar charts with Power BI. If you've enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.